Okay, with this we are going to import a new SP1 file. The first thing we want to do is go to File. In the Import button, we want to edit the filters. With this, we'll go ahead and select a new one. Let me go ahead and name this for the current project. And that's all we need to do is to name it. We need to specify the file extension as SP1. If it's already written as SP1, that's fine. We're going to open up a file in order to try this out. And as you can see, mine was already set in the first 14 lines right here. On yours, it'll be 0. Click off of that. You see that everything's in black. And every time I go up one line, it's 3, now it's 4. We're erasing lines of data. All this data up here is set by the survey, and they need that information. If it's not already set, it should be fixed column widths right up here. First, the line number for the whole. We're going to highlight 43020. On all SP1 files I've ever seen, it's been the first 4 here. We click this arrow and it says 18.4. Now I'm going to select these 4 numbers, which we know is the point number, and then I'll click the arrow as point. Just to show you what this actually does, let me go ahead and pick these numbers here so you can see how it changes, right? So I'm going to say that's the point number. It's incorrect, but you can see it changed from 27 to 7. Okay, 27 and 7. But the actual whole number starts here, the point number, right there, 22 and 4. The easting is always after the W. Okay, the W and then easting. As you can see, it didn't change. And this is the westing, or I'm sorry, northing. That is the northing. 55, 7. That's the northing. So this is the lat and long. Okay. This actually, technically, that's long and lat, but we always say it is lat long. And this is easting and northing. Coordinates have implied 1 decimal place. I've always had that selected. And we'll click Save. We're ready to actually import the file now. I'm going to go to File, Import, and then Import Shotpoints this time. For this project, I'm going to import that one. As you can tell, it already existed. It tells me that 0 new shotpoints have been added. 192 have been updated. Say OK. And that's all there is to importing shotpoints.